Hello, and welcome to another episode of Squeaky Wheel Productions' Disability Series. Today's topic is healthcare, and this week's episode officially kicks off our new mini-series all about health and wellness. In this short series, we will explore the different types of healthcare and the importance of healthcare, and we will look at the ways in which healthy living positively impacts our day-to-day lives. So check your pulse, and let's get started. According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, healthcare refers to efforts made to maintain or restore physical, mental, or emotional well-being, especially by trained or licensed professionals. In other words, healthcare is the provision of medical services for the purpose of preventing and treating illness or disease. Now let's look at the different types of healthcare. In this series, we will explore 5 basic elements of healthcare: first aid, organ donation, personal care, rehabilitation, and palliative care. Of course, healthcare is a broad topic, and the list of examples goes on and on. We will discuss some of these topics in future episodes. So why is healthcare important? Healthcare is important as it provides individuals with the services and tools required to live long, healthy lives. Healthcare is a basic human right that no one should be denied, no matter who they are or where they are from. After all, everyone benefits from proper healthcare, as illness can affect any person at any time. So how can we improve healthcare? We can accomplish this goal by identifying barriers to existing healthcare services and finding effective ways of minimizing these challenges. However, in order to be successful, patients and their healthcare providers must work together to make our healthcare system more accessible and inclusive for all. Well, that's all for this week. Now I'd like to hear from you. Why is healthcare important to you? Please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this episode and would like to see more videos like this one, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel or support me on Patreon. To learn more about healthcare, be sure to check out this week's vlog and the additional resources below. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.